In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable now bar in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first, if I open my voice recorder app and then start any voice recorder, you can see it start recording. Now if I lock my device, and you can see there is no now bar on lock screen. If you want to enable this option, just go back and then open up settings app and then scroll down, then go to lock screen option, then go to now bar, and that's it. Just tap on view more and here it is. Now from here you can enable or disable some options. Suppose if I enable voice recorder option, media player, and it's done. Now if I lock my device again, and that's it. Now you can see at the bottom now bar is showing. And that is how you can enable now bar in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.